My name is Sheldon White, and today I'll be giving a presentation about why humans are unique to any other species on Earth. A quote said by Jane Goodall really sums it up. Humans are unique to me because their ability to ask questions, a consequence of our sophisticated language. This really symbolizes what humans are and our ability to wonder, to ask questions, but there's also a consequence for our wondering and asking questions. It is important to all of you because you're all humans, and in the future you can gain motivation and inspiration down the road. And I've been a human for 16 years, and I've had a passion for always learning about psychology, why humans do certain things that they do. In order for you to gain a better understanding on why humans are unique, I will describe the complexities of the humans and their interaction with their environment, the genetic modifications of their DNA, and our idea behind curiosity and quest. And human language, that is one of the most sophisticated human qualities out there. Per se, there are so many different human languages, written and verbal languages, whereas most species only have one verbal language. And human drive, this is another main complexity of human thought, is our survival drive, our defensive needs, our food, shelter, water, things such along those lines. The legacy drive is meaning, purpose, esteem. And our legacy drive demonstrates self-acceptance, self-actualization, really improving ourselves. And sexual and family, this means to make your family, to pass your genetic material off to an offspring, to make a child. And then this is the accomplishment of it, is gene transfer, actually the creating of a child. And art, music, and the lore of religion. Now art is one of the main sophistications of human, because art is really so much abundance, from caveman drawings to digital art now, and architecture. Music is another form of art, but we place so much emphasis. There's so many different genres of art, and we're really one of the only species on Earth that has so many different variety of art and music. Now, the lure of religion, we're really the only species to have gone to war over religions and to have so many types of religions. Now, small adaptations of genomic modifications in DNA. This is really the most scientific explanation of what makes us different from other species. Brain weight and size. This just goes to show you that make a comparison between chimpanzees and humans, we both have the same brain growth as when we're in the womb, but as a newborn human, we adapt to our environment so well that we actually skyrocket all the way up to an adult human. But a newborn chimp can't really understand. They don't have the brain power to really change their environment around, so they just have a small plateau when compared to that. Another thing is actual brain density. As you see, humans off here to the side, they have 10 to the 10th, that is 1 billion, as most species are between 10 to the 7th and 10 to the 8th. That's around 1 million or 10 billion. So here you see the evolution of humans. Really, I'm just talking about from here to here. So these types of humans, they'll change the environment around them. They'll make their environment better. They'll create shelter. We're really the only one of the humans that place so much value on buildings, architecture, and we also place value on like entertainment, making our lives better. So like generators, generating electricity to run video games, smartphones such as that. And curiosity. This is one of the main features, sophistications of a human. Is in curiosity. Everything we do is driven by curiosity. We wonder about things. To wonder is to be alive. This is a quote said by Roman Paine. This really symbolizes what humanity is. For us to be alive, we yearn for knowledge. We have a drive to do it. And our quest, this is what our goal is in life, our self-purpose. What we want to accomplish by the time we're dead, self-actualization. Now, many don't ever reach this point, but what is important to note, the ones that do are normally successful. They normally have good lives. And that really just goes to show the dedication, the drive of humans. And I've evaluated why humans think on a higher level and how genetic modifications in specifically the brain and how we evolve to our environment around us. And I've also evaluated curiosity, quest, and purpose to get life. And by doing this, I hope you gain a better knowledge onto why humans are unique than any other species on Earth. This is